Hi there. For the channel, like I said before, I'm off on an adventure, and I want to do a few things. I got the canoe, so you've seen the canoe already, but the canoe is part of an overall grand scheme of things. I want to do some portaging deep into the woods, but I also want to just get a truck tent, and do some trunk camping. So in the middle of that, I also am sort of like a prepper, just part-time type deal. I'm like a bug out prepper. So I want to have that truck that can just, within a half hour's time, I can load it up and with everything I need to survive a few months and just take off, right? But with that, I'll be camping. So even if there's no worldwide crisis or anything like that, I I have a nice portable camping thing. And instead of getting like a trailer or something like that, which is hard to lug around, and it's a lot of complexities with that, I decided to go with the truck tent. And I got the Kodiak truck tent, which is a heavy duty canvas tent. And it even works for, I can get diesel heaters or propane heaters, and it's really good in the wintertime, so you could even survive in that in the wintertime. And plus I'll get like a tarp and a kitchen and everything, like a nice camping setup, like I have a trailer but portable. And I wanted it to be all taken down. I'm gonna get power too, like solar panels will be on the roof. I got a battery and solar panels, and I want it to be taken down and put it up. I don't want it to have to stay there. So, but what today's episode is about the bathroom part of it. So I'm going to show you each part of the setup that I'm building, and today is about the bathroom. And here's what I got. These three things are the bathroom. You got a portable toilet, and this is not really necessary, but I just got it for the hell of it to try it out. This you sprinkle on your waist, and it sort of makes it smell pleasant and dissolves it into some bluish gel, and makes it biodegradable too, but it already is biodegradable. And this is a sort of like shelter that can give you privacy, and that's optional too, and that also works as a shower. So let's get into each one of these. Okay, now this toilet comes in a nice sealable grocery bag, and it's nice stainless steel. Folds up nice and easy. And the reason why I got this, hold on, let me show you everything about it first. It also comes with biodegradable bags, which you would put with this thing, and it'll just hang inside. It also comes with a toilet paper clip, which you just clip on and put your roll of toilet paper. But I think those portable bidets that you just squeeze are the thing to go. So the reason why, because they sell toilets. They sell like compost toilets, bucket toilets, cassette toilets, but then you got the waste there, right? With this kind of setup, right, there's a few things you could do with it, right? You could just use the garbage bag and store it in the garbage bag, right, and use that scent control thing. Or you could just, if you're out in the country more, you could just dig a hole, put this over the hole, and just go right in the hole there, and then fill up the hole and leave, right? So you could just like, that's why I got that instead of the enclosed bucket. So I think this is the way to go if you're gonna buy a portable toilet. You could pack it in your car, emergency situations, you know. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. Just bring a little shovel with you. Now this thing, I haven't set it up yet, but let's take a look up and see how easy it is to set up. Pretty easy. It's probably going to be harder to take down or figure out how to fold it up. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Was that quick? I swear to God, I didn't open that yet. I think, yeah, it's going to be harder to try to figure out how to fold that up, I think. So let's open her up. Ooh, lots of room in here. It's got a little opening at the top. So that's, I got one of those solar water heaters. You just fill it up with water, leave it in the sun. It's very thick rubber. And you just hang it from a tree, hang it over the rope, and there you go, you got a shower. And this also comes with, like, say you don't want that open, right? It's got a little tarp or something to put on top of that. So you could have it private, you know, at nighttime or whatever when the bugs are out. Oh, and you got little, I don't know what this is for, store something, maybe toilet paper and stuff like that. It's also got places to hold it down. And I'll just put the toilet in there. There we go. I guess you got a lot of room. Just dig your hole and put the bag. Let me sit on this thing here. There we go. Close her up. I think, yeah, so if you're looking for a camping toilet, you know, I think this is the way to go. Just, you know, park your vehicle, set up your tent, and put this off to the side or in the front somewhere. And yeah, so altogether this cost me, it was $50 for the toilet, $50 for the tarp, so $100 setup, and you got yourself a nice washroom. But and you look at some of those toilets online, you could be spending hundreds and hundreds, even $1,000 for like some of these toilets. So there you go. Stay tuned for the next video that I do. I'm probably going to be setting up the truck tent. I haven't set it up yet, so I'm going to do a video on first time setting up Kodiak truck tent, and you're going to love that one, so stay tuned for that. Bye bye.